Hello everyone. Today I am making restaurant style paneer lababdar. It is super easy and delicious. Before that, I would like to say to please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram. I've given the link in the description box below. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First we will take a kadhai. We will add oil into it. 2 tablespoons of oil into the kadhai. Then we will add a tablespoon of cumin seeds, peppercorns, cardamoms and few bay leaves. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of more oil so that I can fry my onions. Now we will add chopped onions and green chilies. Saute the onion until they are golden brown. I'm putting the flame of the stove to medium or low and then frying my onions. Now I'll add few cashews into it. Now when your onions are golden brown, light golden brown, we are going to add chopped tomatoes. These are 3 chopped tomatoes and Kashmiri red chilies and ginger and garlic paste into this. Now saute them. Add a bit of salt according to your taste. Now when you think the tomatoes are mushy, add around 300 ml of water into this and let it boil. We are going to cover it and cook it around 5 to 10 minutes. And when you think the masala is ready, you have to blend it into a mixer grinder. After that, we will take a clean kadhai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 to 3 cubes of butter into it. And then we are going to add the prepared mixture into this. Now we are going to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add a bit of water into this as well and cook it at slow for 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to grate around 50 grams of paneer into this and mix it well. Then I'll be adding around 100 grams of paneer into this. And mix it well. Now I'll add half tablespoon of sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoon of kasuri methi and fresh cream. And half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Garam masala depends on your taste totally. I don't like that much of garam masala, so I'll be adding only 1 tablespoon. You can also increase or decrease the amount, totally upon you. And our tasty and delicious paneer lababdar is ready. Serve hot with naan or roti. Please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.